It's a great privilege and honor for me to participate in this wonderful Make In Odisha Conclave 2018. Before I start, I also pray and seek the blessings of Jagannath Ji. Now, as a state, there has been a phenomenal progress in the state of Odisha over the last 10-15 years. It is a state with a very stable government, a very proactive bureaucracy, ready infrastructure, a very large pool of skilled manpower, and a very secure social environment. The state is also blessed with a lot of resources, a fantastic coastline, which is close to 500 kilometers long, deep water ports, a very large power generation capacity, a fantastic infrastructure, strong mineral reserves, and most importantly, wonderful people and a very strong talent base. The state produces 1.8 lakh technical graduates from over 950 institutions who are excellent resources for development in any part of the country. And with all these tremendous strengths, the state is poised to fantastic development over the next decade with investment opportunities across any sector, name it, whether it is from world economy sectors or tourism or services sectors or IT, digital, and very specialized digital platforms. All of this is possible with the tremendous amount of talent and all the other strengths that the state has. For the Tata Group, the association with the state of Odisha is very long. It's more than 100 years old. Tata Steel was first given its first iron ore lease by the Maharaja of Mayurbhanj in the early part of the 20th century. Since then, the group has significantly expanded into the state. Tata Steel has a very large capacity in the state. Tata Motors is deeply present with 30 service stations and a large dealer network. Tata Power has power generation units here. TCS is the largest IT company in the state with about 5,000 professionals, with the second phase taking it to 12,000 professionals. And all our service companies, whether it is in the financial services space, insurance, or retail companies like Titan, Chroma, or Westside, many of our companies are very deeply present. Tata Projects does a lot of engagements in the state of Odisha. Already we have made investments worth 75,000 crores. With the announcement of the Kalinga expansion, another 25,000 crores will soon cross a total investment of 100,000 crores in the state of Odisha. And all along, I must say, our experience with the state has been extremely satisfying, very enriching. Things happen in the state, and I want to congratulate the Honorable Chief Minister for his leadership, for the smooth functioning and delivery of projects on time so that businesses can thrive in the state. From a CSR angle, the Tata Group has made significant commitments to the state. We have a lot of work going on in healthcare, education, sports, and other community engagements. At Kalinga, we have a multi-speciality hospital already operational. And in Gopalpur, we have an eye hospital operational. A new 500-bed hospital, multi-speciality one, is going to be launched in Gopalpur very shortly. And Tata Steel runs 30 modern schools in the state and is also engaged in the Young Astronaut program with 60,000 students. and we are actively engaged in the hockey and also in the marathons in the state. So there are many other social initiatives, engagement initiatives in the area of malnutrition, etc., where the Tata Trusts are partnering significantly with the state of Odisha. So I want to thank the government and the bureaucracy for their support, and most importantly, the people of Odisha for their support, and wish the state a lot of progress and great success in the coming years. Thank you so much.